Hi, this is Christi Reece with the Christi Reece Group, and we're here today at another refreshing new listing with a great video tour so you can look at the house from the comfort of your own home. 2690 Lookout Lane is in Spyglass Ridge in Grand Mesa, just outside of Grand Junction, Colorado, just outside the downtown area. And this is a beautiful subdivision up on a hill with amazing views, and it's got a really nice clubhouse and a pool, walking paths all around, and this is a beautiful ranch style home with a little over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. It's absolutely beautiful, so come on in.